everybody, welcome back to TDA Lifestyle with me, Alphonsine. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks to all our current subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to wear this beautiful wig. This is our new U-part wig from our Asili range, and as you can see, this is beautiful. So I've got some of my hair that I've left out over here and also on the sides, as you can see. So this is a U-part wig, and it is a Yaki texture, which mimics a black girl's hair texture. So you can straighten this hair, you can blow dry it, you can curl it as I have done, and yeah, it's very simple, very easy to wear. And look at all this gorgeousness. Look at the flow, it's nice and flowy, and I mean, it's just beautiful. So yeah, if you'd like to see how to wear this U-part wig, please go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and undo my leave out. So this is the amount of hair I'm gonna be leaving out, this part and all of this. Tie the rest. Just gonna put the rest of the hair away. Okay, so I've got my mirror over here. This is the wig, the U-part wig. Just gonna comb it out. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combs. So I'm going to start by placing it on my head. Just going to hold it like this and bring it to the back. So I'm going to start by hooking these combs like that, and then the next one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fix the rest of the wig. I'm just gonna press this down and bring the rest of the wig all the way to the back. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and undo my leave out. So this is the hair that I'm going to be leaving out. I'm also going to be leaving out my hair on the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair so that it can blend more with the wig. Just going to grab my straightener and put it on the highest heat. So I'm gonna grab my straightener and I'm just going to straighten my hair. All right, so I'm just gonna make my line straight. There we go. Okay, so if you like the straight look, this is done. There you go, nothing showing. Looks like it's growing out of my scalp, literally. Look at that. If you like the straight look, you can leave it like that, or you could go ahead and grab your flat iron and add some curls, or your tongue, or anything that you use to curl your hair. You can go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you. And there you go. This hair is so beautiful, so amazing. You can curl it, you can straighten it, it doesn't tangle. It's really easy to style. And yeah, this is our U-part wig from our Asili range. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so there you have it. The U-part wig from our Asili range. Very easy to wear, easy to style, and looks super natural, especially if you are going to leave some of your hair out. It blends really well with any afro texture. If you're going to straighten it, it's going to blend very well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.